I come to Colva Beach every day. Now I live in Majorda, but I like this beach. That's why I come here every day. There are a lot of dogs. Really, I like dogs. I don't want them to kill. I don't want this. But there are a lot of them, and not every people love them. One of the dog bit me in my finger and in my leg. I don't know what to do, and the boomerang team helped me. They drive me to the hospital. I got injections, and later I will have to do one more injection. What else? This beach is good, really good, but two problems: dogs and sometimes smell from the fish. I don't know, maybe because fishermen work there. I don't know. But please, I don't want that anyone kills these dogs. Maybe some shelter, maybe someone who help them, because I like dogs very much. I really like them. That is all.
Government have to take some care and to take care of this and take it out.
I think this must not be dogs, because any people afraid of them. Some people could be bited by them. That's not okay, I think, for tourists. This, and I don't want to see this place, but the big problem. I want the government keep away the dog from the beaches, because a lot of people are afraid of the dog, and the tourists must be in safety. And it will be great if government could organize a shelter for dogs. I don't want them to kill. I love dogs, but the dogs must be on beaches. They must be in shelters and in houses with their owners.
Your name, madam?
My name? Zhenya.
Zhenya?
I'm from Russia. I like Goa. I like dogs, but I don't like be fighted with dogs, and I don't like smell from fish.
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.